Alright, this is Lesson 1, Video 1, the demo to show that everything is in working order after viewing the Lecture 1 videos. So we're just going to let this app load. As you can see, I already launched the emulator, and then I just gave it the command to run. So it should be loading up in just a moment here. Alright, so as you can see, the app has loaded here. So now we're just going to test all the buttons that were in place. So flat button was pressed. Icon button was pressed. And then the raise button, same message. Now this is in the list view, as you can tell from scrolling. Go ahead and I'll pull out the drawer that has the image, name, email, and then the working CS page. So go ahead and tap on that, and it's obviously formatted in the way that we had done before. And if you tap the back button, it will return you to the home screen. So yep, everything checks out, and we'll go ahead and move on to the next video.